Start with a slip knot and chain 99, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the next stitch make 3 single crochets. Skip the next 2 stitches and in the next stitch repeat the same 3 single crochets. Now repeat this until the end. Skip 2 and in the next stitch 3 single crochets. And in the last stitch make 1 single crochet. This is how it will look. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into the middle stitch of this 3 single crochet bunch. Here you have 3 single crochets, 1, 2 and 3. This is the middle stitch, this one. So here skip the next stitch and in the next stitch, that's the middle stitch, make 3 single crochets. Skip the next 2 stitches and this is the middle stitch, 1, 2, 3. This is the middle single crochet. Skip these 2 stitches and into the middle stitch make 3 single crochets. Now repeat the same, skip 2, this is the middle single crochet. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches, skip 2, this is the middle single crochet. Skip 2. At the end you will have 2 stitches left. Skip 1 stitch and in the last stitch make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next stitch, this is the middle stitch. Make 3 single crochets. Make 1 single crochet in each of the middle stitch of the 3 single crochet bunches. Skip the next 2 stitches, this is the middle stitch. Continue with the stitches. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.